Hello, this is Joshua with YourCo. Today we're going to go over the CrewNet Collection Flipbook Edition. Now it has all the same features you're used to of the physical catalog, but with enhanced features. Take a look here on the side. All of these tabs are the exact same tabs of the physical catalog, and they will take you to the exact same pages as the physical catalog. Down at the bottom here are all the features we're going to go over today. They are the features specific to the Flipbook. The first here is a zoom. So you don't have to click that icon. You can actually just double click and then drag where you need to. On mobile, you're just going to pinch zoom. Next, we have a really great search function. So if you know your item number, just search it. USA 100 is a very popular item for us. So here, USA 100, you can click through and it takes you to swatch pages, the actual product page, and then other pages where USA 100 is used. Now I'm going to take this moment to talk about these special features that are embedded here. So these pinging dots take you to a YouTube video that's just a really nice visual representation of the add-on. Next we have thumbnail. Now if you kind of get to know your pages and want to move really fast, this works both on mobile and desktop. You can flip right through and it goes to the page. I will point out here, as you open these features, you need to close them individually or they will stay up. Next we have the table of contents. This is another great feature in a different way. So instead of knowing the item number, you just know the type of item you want. So in table of contents, we're going to go pick a crew neck. Let's say we want a USA made, a cotton raglan. So it's given us the option and it lets us click on that to take us right there. Let's do one more. Imports, tri-blends, unisex, K509. This will take you right to the product page, and this is a great way to actually learn your item numbers. Next button here is an auto flip. You may not use this much, but it's really great for just letting it roll as you're having a conversation with your client so they get an overall feel of the catalog. All of these are just general navigation functions. This takes you to the first page, this to the last. These flip through page by page, front and backwards. And this lets you go to a specific page. Now, ones that you might want to remember are page 24, which gives you every item, and page 81 that takes you right to all of the embellishment add-ons. Next here, we have the share function. So copy and pasting this will take you to the first page, which you can send just like you're handing over a fresh catalog to somebody. You can easily embed this into your website with all the full functionality with this. Next is print function. You can print all pages, the current page only, or you can print a range. Now I would recommend printing your sales strategy, crew necks, and specific add-ons together, because you may want to show them at different times to different people. This download button comes in great whenever you don't have a good connection or your customer just really likes working with PDFs. So as this is loading, I'll go ahead and tell you that on mobile, if you click download, it'll go right to your downloads. This we're using Chrome on, and so each browser may be a little bit different, but it's going to give you a download icon here in the corner where you can click and save it wherever you would like. Next we have full screen mode. And lastly, a select text where you can copy and paste the text into, say, an email. Now I'm going to go back to this for a moment here. Page 24, again, was a very popular page. Notice how there's also a page 24 here. Again, with page 81 being all the add-ons, 81 is up here. What that allows you to do is copy and paste this link straight into an email. And what is sent is that exact link to that page for the full catalog. Now, if you have any additional questions, just contact your sales territory manager. Thanks for watching.